Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into adjustment. 12 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Adaptation, which means the action or process of adapting or being adapted. Adaptation. For example, the adaptation of old buildings to new uses. Number 2. Repair, which means the action of repairing something. Repair. For example, the building is in urgent need of repair. Number 3. Modification, which means a change made. Modification. For example, plural noun, modifications. Number 4. Acclimatization, which means the process or result of becoming accustomed to a new climate or to new conditions. Acclimatization. For example, you should not rush your acclimatization when you arrive. Number 5. Amendment, which means a minor change or addition designed to improve a text, piece of legislation, etc. Amendment. For example, Parliament approved an amendment to the Constitution. Number 6. Accommodation, which means the process of adapting or adjusting to someone or something. Accommodation. For example, accommodation to a separate political entity was not possible. Number 7. Reconciliation, which means the restoration of friendly relations. Reconciliation. For example, the reconciliation of the disputants. Number 8. Alteration, which means the action or process of altering or being altered. Alteration. For example, he made an alteration to the text. Number 9. Correction, which means the action or process of correcting something. Correction. For example, the detection and correction of errors is extremely difficult. Number 10. Regulation, which means the action or process of regulating or being regulated. Regulation. For example, the regulation of financial markets. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.